Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make restaurant quality French onion soup at home. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now first of all we're going to take 1 kilo of onions. We're going to peel them and then we're going to cut them in half and finely chop them. Now we'll just set those to the side while we get our saucepan ready. So in our heavy base saucepan we're going to melt 50 grams of butter, 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. We're going to pop it onto a medium heat and we're just going to let the butter melt. Now we're going to add our kilo of sliced onions and we'll fry those until they're soft for about 10 minutes. Just keep moving them around to make sure that they're all getting to the bottom. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell notification. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So now after 10 minutes we're going to add 1 teaspoonful of sugar. We'll cook that for another 20 minutes, stirring frequently until the onions are caramelized. Now as you can see, our onions are caramelized. They should be soft, golden and full of flavour. Now I'm going to add in 4 cloves of sliced garlic and season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Cook this for another 2 minutes, just until the garlic's cooked, but be careful not to burn the garlic or the onions. Now we're going to sprinkle in 2 tablespoonfuls of plain flour and stir that well, cooking again for another minute just until the flour flavour has been cooked away. Now we'll increase the heat and we'll gradually add 250 millilitres of dry white wine. Just give that a stir round. Add the rest of the wine and then we're going to add 1.3 litres of good quality beef stock. Obviously homemade is best, but you can use a beef stock cubes if you need to. Now we'll give that a stir round. We'll pop the lid on and we'll let that simmer for another 20 minutes, just until the soup is thickened. Now the traditional serving for these is pop them into a bowl. Then we're going to top them with some baguettes and then 35 grams of Gruyere cheese over each baguette. Now we're going to take them over to a hot grill, pop them under the grill for 3 to 4 minutes just until the cheese melts. Now I like to serve mine again with some more crusty bread on the side. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.